In this video, I show you how to set Google Drive as a default video player. For setting this, go to your phone settings. Now click on search settings. Search for reset app preference. Now click on reset app preference. Then click on again reset app preference. Then click on reset apps. Now open WhatsApp. Now click on your PDF. Now we can set here. Click on Google Drive. Then click on always. Now I hope that you set Google Drive as a default preview here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.